In a small town, there is a cat named Bella. Unlike other cats, Bella possessed a curious heart. One day, Bella acquired a book about the human world. Enthralled by the book's portrayal, Bella resolved to explore this world herself. Bella knew that to integrate into human society, she first needed a job. Bella's first job was as a mail carrier at the small-town post office. At first, Bella was not very efficient at work, as it was easily distracted by butterflies along the road, forgetting its tasks. But Bella soon realized that as a postman, it has a lot of responsibility. It began to work hard to get every letter delivered on time. Bella's work efficiency was quickly recognized by the townspeople. It not only became a valuable assistant to the post office, but also earned the title of Best Mail Carrier.